Hello students, today's video lecture is based on exercise number 8.1 and we are going to solve this exercise. In this exercise, question number first is in triangle ABC. So write here triangle ABC like this and right angled at B. So A B, right here B point at right angle and then next corner is C. So there is a triangle ABC. In this triangle AB equal to 24 centimeter. That means AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC equals to given that 7 centimeter. So first question is determine the value of sin A and cos A. Second question is further determine sin C and cos C. So if we are going to solve this type of questions, then we have to calculate the value of AC, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Now to calculate the value of AC, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle, that is equal to under root of AB square plus BC square. So here AC equals to under root of, in place of AB put the value, that is the 24 centimeter square plus 7 square. Then AC equals to square root of, right here square of 24, that is the 576 plus 7 square, that is 49. So AC equals to under root of 625 and this is the square root of 625 equals to 25. So the value of AC equals to 25 centimeter. Now we can find the value of sin A, that is equal to the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, sin A is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So the value of perpendicular for the sin A, one more thing remember, we are taking here A, so angle A is here. According to this angle, BC is the perpendicular. Remember that. According to the angle A, BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So for angle A, BC is the perpendicular. BC equals to perpendicular, that's equal to 7 and AB is the base. but कौन सा एंगल के लिए होगा? एंगल A के लिए फॉर द एंगल A BC जो है वो परपेंडिकुलर होगा एंड AB जो है वो बेस होगा. सो BC is the perpendicular and AB equals to base. And what is the value of base? 24 centimeter. So write here sin A, that is equal to the value of perpendicular is 7 upon value of hypotenuse is 25. So the value of this question is 7 upon 25. Next, there is a question that cos A. So here cos A, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse and the value of base for the angle A is 24 and the hypotenuse is 25. So write here the value of base, that is 24 centimeter and the value of hypotenuse is 25. In next question we have to find sin C and cos C. If we are going to take this angle, that is the angle C, AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. Okay, for angle C, there is written that BC is the base, BC equals to base, and the value of base is 7 centimeter. Next, this AB is the perpendicular for the angle C. So AB equals to perpendicular equals to 24 centimeter. Now for the value of sin C equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? 24. And what is the value of hypotenuse? Is 25. Now cos C, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is the value of base? It's 7 and hypotenuse is 25. So there is the solution of question number first. Now we are going to solve the question number second. There is a question number second. In second question, figure is given. Figure is like this: P, Q, R, and PQ is 12 centimeter, and PR equals to 13 centimeter, and the value of QR is not given. Find the value of tan P minus cot R. Okay, so we have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. If we are going to solve this type of problem, then first we have to calculate the value of QR. So solution is QR equals to square root of PR square, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle, minus that is the perpendicular, which is the PQ square. So QR, that is equal to square root of the value of PR. PR equals to 13 centimeter. So write here 13 square. Okay, and minus PQ, that is the 12 centimeter. So write here 12 square. Now the value of QR, that is equal to square root of 13, that is 169, minus square of 12, that is the 144. And now if we subtract this value, then we can get 25, and the square root of 25, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Now the value of QR equals to 5 centimeter. Now we can go to solve the question tan P minus cot R. If we are going to solve this question, then first we have to calculate tan P. So for the tan P equals to P is here, and for this angle the perpendicular is QR. So and base is PQ, that is 12 centimeter, and the hypotenuse is PR, that is 13 centimeter. But if we are going to solve the value of tan P, then we can write here perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular for the angle P, that is QR, equals to QR upon base for the angle P, that is PQ. Right here PQ. So the value of tan P equals to, put the value of QR, that is 5 cm, upon value of PQ, that is 12 cm. So write here 12. So we can say here tan P equals to 5 by 12. And the next quantity is, next trigonometric ratio is cot R. Cot R, that is equal to base upon perpendicular. So the angle R is here. Angle R is here. So for this angle, perpendicular is PQ and base is QR. So right here, on the place of base, we can write here the value of QR. QR. And next one is perpendicular. In the place of perpendicular for the angle R, there is PQ. So write here PQ. So cot R, that is equal to, in place of QR, we can put the value 5, upon in place of PQ, we can put the value of 12. So here we calculated the value of tan P and cot R. So this value we can put in this equation. So in place of tan P, we can put 5 by 12, minus in place of cot R, we can put 5 by 12. So the answer of this question is 0. So this is the solution of question number 2nd, and the final answer is 0. So now we will go for the question number 3rd. In question number 3rd is given, if sin A equals to 3 by 4. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Given sin A equals to 3 by 4, and calculate cos A and tan A. We have to calculate cos A and tan A. So solution is, draw a triangle like this, A, B, C. If we are taking angle A, so for this angle there is written that sin A equals to 3 by 4, and sin A is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 4. So we have to calculate the value of base, that is AB. Now for the value of AB equals to square root of AC square, that is the hypotenuse, minus perpendicular square, that is BC square. So AB equals to square root of, in place of AC we can put 4, minus in place of BC we can put 3. So the value of AB equals to square root of 4 for the 16, and minus 3 3 the 9, that is equal to square root of 7. So the value of AB equals to square root of 7, right here under root 7. Now for the value of cos A, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and in this triangle for the angle A, the base is under root of 7 and the hypotenuse is 4. So right here the value of base, that is square root of 7, and the value of hypotenuse is 4. That is the answer. Next question is the value of tan A. Tan A, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. The value of perpendicular, that is 3, and the value of base is square root of 7. So right here 3 by under root of 7. That is the answer of the question number 3rd. This is the answer of question number 3rd and this type of solution. In next question, question number 4. In question number 4, there is given that 15 cot A equals to 8. 15 cot A equals to 8. Given in question number 4, 15 cot A equals to 8. And we have to find the value of sin A and sec A. Find the value of sin A and sec A. Then for the solution of this question, first we have to draw the figure of this triangle A B C. There is given that 15 cot A equals to 8. That means we can write here cot A equals to 8 upon 15. That means there is base upon perpendicular, because cot equals to, this is the ratio of base and perpendicular. So in place of base, there is the value of 8. In place of perpendicular, there is the value of 15. So in place of base, that is the 8, and in place of perpendicular is 15. So what is the value of AC? So we are going to find the value AC, that is equal to, by the Pythagoras theorem, square root of perpendicular square, that is the BC square, plus base square, that is AB square. Now AC equals to square root of, in place of BC we can put 15, and in place of AB we can put 8. So the value of AC equals to square root of, if we are going to square 15, so we can find the value 225, and plus 8 square, that is the 64. If we are going to square 8 square, that is the 64. Now AC equals to square root of, add this, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, and there is 2. So there is the AC equals to square root of 289, that is equals to 17. So the value of hypotenuse is 17, and now we can get the value of sin A and sec A. Question number first is sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? 15, and hypotenuse is 17. Next question is sec A equals to, this is the reciprocal of cos A. So right here cos A, and we can find the ratio of cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So we can write here hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is 17 and base is 8. So 17 upon 8. This is the solution of question number 4. And in next video lecture we will continue this exercise. So thank you.